What are they using those 100 naira they collect every day from the gate of the market to do? If you calculate that money, nothing. Go to the airport, you pay 200 to enter. What are they using those money to do? We have not seen it. All the end taxes they have been collecting over the years, what are they using it to do? So why are you now, how are you now going to even justify to us that this new taxation you want to even collect, that you will use it for anything? I am just coming back to the country from Rwanda. I just landed Nigeria not too long ago. And the next thing I am reading on the news is that the federal government want to start collecting tax from market traders and informal organizations or informal sector. Now, if I must say my mind, because I always like to say my mind, a lot of us did not hear that this thing happened. That's why I'm bringing it out to you. And then I want to break it down. First of all, I'm going to break down the suffer that people are suffering in this country as a matter of the new transition of government. Now, looking back at what President Muhammadu Buhari has done to us in the past 8 years, Buhari took the country from where it was and he put the country on reverse. What we need as a country is somebody that will drive the country forward, not take us more backward or inflict more suffer in the course of taking us forward. I don't know if you get my point. I'm going somewhere. I need you to settle down and listen to me before you judge me or say, what is this one saying? First of all, you need to listen to me, hear what I have to say before you criticize me. I am not here to criticize any government, but I'm only here to give analysis of how things are supposed to be done based on my own opinion. Now, collecting tax from market women. Some of us will see the news and say, after all, I'm not market woman. It doesn't concern me. Let me tell you how it concerns all of us. Every one of us, this matter concerns all of us. Now, this is how it works. First of all, they remove subsidy. Fuel price became 537, 540, some sell 550, some sell 560, respectively. Some of us think that because you don't have a car, where subsidy removal will not affect you. But one way or the other is affecting you, but you don't know. The people that are selling tomatoes in the market, it is fuel that they use to transport the tomato to where they will sell it for you. Automatically, if you notice, the price of tomato has gone up due to fuel subsidy. I don't know if you're getting my point. Now, because the expenses of fuel, transporters have increased the money they collect for transportation of goods and services. These people have been doing their thing without any support from government for over the years. All of a sudden, the government has now started doing policies that are frustrating the transporters. Now, before I come back to the point that I'm trying to make, the federal government said they are going to increase electricity tariff, which means that the money you are using to buy electricity before will not increase. Don't forget that the higher it goes, the faster the unit burn. You will notice that you just load card today, and the next thing, you don't know how the card will just finish. Only small, you just want to enjoy your AC. Small. The next thing, card has finished. Now, let me now come down to the market traders saying, the federal government saying they want to start collecting tax they want to start collecting. Kai, which monkey is this? Come, I'm talking about serious matter. Monkey. Are you people seeing the monkey? See the monkey, pa. My own is that you should not come and bite don't come and bite me. Oh. I'm taking something serious here. Now, what I'm saying is that narrow this thing that the federal government is saying they want to start collecting tax from market traders and informal sector. It is a very alarming and disturbing development. Now, what that mean is that these market people, these people you see, come, this monkey, kai, kula da hankalin ka fa kai. I didn't hear you, don't hear me. Oh. These market people you see, over the years, they have been the one supporting their business. Most of the time, some of them feed from hand to mouth. No support from any government. No government support them. They have been the one. They know how they come about buying their products and they sell it to people that come to the market to buy. Now, instead of the government to say that they want to look into the market system whereby these traders are being manipulated by arboros, tax collectors, and the rest of them, they have been collecting tax from the market people for a long time. Instead of the government to say they want to look into the market taxation and see how they can even soften things for the marketers, people that are market traders, so that the market traders will not use that ripple effect of the tax they are collecting from them to not to put all the load on their product and sell to us. It's a chain of command. If you put pressure on the market people will put pressure on the goods, then we, the buyers, are the ones to suffer it. We that are buying will now go back to our places of business and add price to our own things, because we will now say market price is getting up. We too have to meet up. That is how the thing will be going up, up, up. Cost of living will now become very high. So the government is supposed to say, we want to look into the sufferness or the trouble of taxation that the market people are suffering. Let us see how we can amend it and relax it a bit. Because if this market will tell you what they are suffering in the hands of the tax collectors in the market, the arboro in the market, the rentage in the market, just to get a space to sell, they collect money from them. And now the federal government, instead of the federal government to say they want to see how they can adjust it so that it can be flexible for the market people, they say they want to start collecting VAT, taxation from the market traders and informal sector. People that have been running their business without the support of any government. All of a sudden, the government just come out, they want to suffer Nigerians for nothing. If not for anything, because of the fact that we have suffered in the hands of Buhari for 8 years. Market people, transporters, students, people that are working in ministry, civil servants, individual businesses, people that own hotel, they have suffered for 8 years to run a business. For the past 8 years, people that have business have been tagged the strongest people in the world. Because if your business can survive in Buhari administration, you have done well. If nobody will tell you, I will tell you. And then we deserve a break to relax. We deserve a break so that we can even reimburse ourselves and come back to our business again. No, the new government is saying, we are going to stress you. Within the period of when Asiwaju won the election, to this period now that I'm standing here, all we have been receiving from him is tension news. Tension. We don't know the next thing they are going to increase. Maybe we'll wake up one morning and we see that they have put toll gates in all the parts of the country to collect money from us. How do we get this money is what I'm asking. All the government is doing to collect from us now. At least Buhari did not collect from us. What is Tinubu now wanting to do with our source of income? Today you increase subsidy, you remove subsidy, fuel went up. We are arguing. We are still arguing. You did not provide palliative measures before you remove subsidy. They are supposed to be palliative measures. No. What they are doing now, state government are saying reducing the days, number of work days of workers. Are we going forward or we are going backward? We have not finished subsidy. Why they want to increase electricity tariff? Before we are saying anything, we are now hearing that marketers are saying, well, we'll go to 700. Don't try it. That one we will not agree. Don't try it. Okay, we have not even recovered. Now they are saying market people, they will start collecting tax and VAT from market people through FIRS. Allah, please. That thing will affect us. Just look at the price of tomato. Now as we speak, a basket of tomato, 8,000. How will a poor man eat? How will a telaka eat, for God's sake? When the price of tomato, onions, and pepper and everything are going up. And in this our country, anything that the price go up, we not want to come down. I am pleading on the federal government, please. This is not a time to be bringing harsh policies that will suffer us the more. We as Nigerians have suffered a lot. Travel out of the country and see for yourself. Presidents, the countries are making life easy for their citizens. Even if they are going to collect taxation, the people don't even feel it because measures have been set in place. Measures have been put in place. They have already put measures so that when they are collecting from the citizens a tax, they will not feel it. Our own dotting. We have been the one doing our thing ourselves for years. Government cannot just come all of a sudden and say they want to start collecting tax on this, collecting tax on that, when we have been the ones struggling over the years. No, it is not right. On behalf of the market traders, I say it is not right. It is wrong. The taxation they have been suffering for years. What have they used it to do in the market? Nothing. We are driving into the market. They collect 100 naira from us in the gates. What are they using those 100 naira they collect every day from the gate of the market to do? If you calculate that money, nothing. Go to the airport, you pay 200 to enter. What are they using those money to do? We have not seen it. All the end taxes they have been collecting over the years, what are they using it to do? So why are you now, how are you not going to even justify to us that this new taxation you want to even collect, that you will use it for anything? Okay, you say you remove subsidy. You have gotten 400 billion. Where is the money? What are they using it for? We have not seen anything. I am getting mad. I'm getting tired. Poor people are suffering. The policy is too harsh on them. The government need to relax. Need to relax. This one on market people will affect us. There will be too much hunger in the land. There will be too much hunger in the land. Please. Already, to make stew now is like digging gold from the ground. You can't make stew now. Luxury stew anymore is not available. What we do now is small price stew, just do with rice and eat. You can't make plenty stew. Where is the tomato? It's too expensive. Even in the daughter complains that tomato is 8,000 naira. A billionaire daughter complains. How much more me? Who am I? How much more the poor masses? Please. Please. There should be all these policies you are bringing. Relax on the policy, please. Let's abuse the nation. Take us to a level that you know you can even start collecting from us. We are suffering too much. The fuel man, you remove subsidy. You buy fuel of 10,000. Before you drive from here to here, the fuel has even gone. You don't know what to use it for. The thing is burning very fast. I have said my own. That policies should be relaxed. Focus on building the nation with what we already have. The money you are getting from subsidy, use it to start building the country. Before you start paying us market people to collect money from us. Please. Please. Share this video. It needs to. We have to speak up. You have to share this video. Even as I'm talking, some people will still say, I am fighting for the market people, market traders, people that are suffering this subsidy and the rest of them. People will still watch this video and say, this man don't have sense. What is he saying? I don't have sense, I agree. I don't. But I'm the spice creator. I am the spice creator. You can't take that from me. International spice creator. Google me if you like. Don't Google me. I've said my mind.